In this video, I will show you how to check Wells Fargo credit card balance. So, the first thing that you can do is simply open up Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for Wells Fargo. Then click on this first URL that appears. Then right beside this menu, you can see Sign On button. Click on it. From here, you can put in your username and your password. Then simply click on Sign On. Right after you log into your account, you will see your balance displayed on the home screen. The next way to check your balance is to simply download the Wells Fargo app from the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, simply open the app, log into your account, then you can see your credit card balance appear right on the home screen. And if you have already enrolled into Wells Text Banking, from here you can just write BAL and send them. Then you will be able to know your credit card balance. And that's it. These are the 3 ways you can find out your credit card balance in Wells Fargo. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.